Good evening, sir. First of all, I would like to offer my sincere apology for not being able to submit the project earlier. It's due to the unexpected SQL file crash. As much as I would love to blame the computer, I think we both know sometimes the technology has its own mind. But thankfully, everything is up and running, and I would like to present you my student portal, dynamic web application. So it's basically built using the HTML, CSS for styling, PHP for backend logic, and MySQL for database management. The goal of this application, to simply say in few words, is to provide clean, functional platform where an administrator can log in and manage the student information seamlessly. Now let me begin with the home page. This serves as the function, it serves as the welcoming screen of the application. A clean navigation bar at the top, links to the home login dashboard. The layout is actually responsive, styled with the modern gradients. You can actually say it's eye pleasing, and even its functionality is up and running. So let's navigate to the login page, how an admin can log in into it. I will show you step by step. So only first of all, to be clear, in this web application, only authorized user can log in because it's actually prepared for the admin side of things. So let's get in. So when I click into the login, I have a fixed mail in here, admin@example.com. Pass Password is fixed, admin123. Login. There you go. Oh, this internet. Okay. As you can see, I have proceeded towards the student dashboard. You can see you can add a new student by clicking in here. You can log out from this web application. You can, if actually the student's record had been stored in here, we could have seen it here. So now, after successfully logging in, so let's add some student info. Okay, first of all, before adding the student info, let me be clear with my database. I would like to show what's in here. I'll refresh this, quick refresh. It's good, up and running. So let's get in here. Ankit Pokharel. That's not the real mail. Ankit @gmail.com. Phone number I could add 9841 9841 12, for instance. Course, actually I'm studying BCS, so BCS. Photo, need to put some good pic in here. There you go. Selected it. Now once I click add student, there you go. Actually it's up and running. I can confirm via my database. Refresh it, quick refresh. Here we go. It's here. It's updated. Let me add one more. Okay. Okay. Let me put in Ajay, Ajay Singh, mail. Let me change it to Ajay@gmail.com. Phone number. Let me change it. 941 Course. Maybe he's studying BIHM. This is the photo. Need to put in good pic in here. Let's put this pic. Adding in here, add student. There you go. Now what changes into the database? I can give a quick refresh. There you go. It's changed. But we know it's not Ajay Singh, it's actually Ajay Devgan. So we can actually go in here and change the info. There we go. Devgan. update the student. You can see it's updated. Now let's check into the database. It's updated. It's up and running. I can even delete the profile, student info. So I want to delete my profile itself. So I will click on delete. Okay, it's successfully deleted. Check into the database, quick refresh. Here we go. The data is successfully deleted. You know, okay, now I can actually log out too. So once I click into the logout button, I've successfully logged out. So as you can see, it's interactive, it's up and running. I think it's good for the starter and good for this assignment. This entire application was based on HTML and CSS for structure, styling, PHP for the backend logic, MySQL for the database operations, and also a class of patience and caffeine, to be honest, to put it all together. And all code is modular, secure, and properly commented for readability. You can actually see my code is properly commented, as you can see in here with proper comments and everything. I've actually followed the best practices for both front end and back end security, such as input sanitization and session management. In the conclusion, I just like to add that this project taught me a lot of fixing bugs, to gracefully handle the unexpected database crashes. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed this quick walkthrough of my humble student portal. I'm open for questions, suggestions, compliments alike. Thank you very much.